Hello students, now SAQ part. A solid right circular cylinder is made by melting a solid right circular cone. The radii of both are equal. If the height of the cone is 15 cm, then calculate the height of the cylinder. Okay, radius same means we may consider radius be r. Both the radius same. Radius be r centimeter. Okay, height of cone given 15 centimeter. You have to calculate height of cylinder. We are considering this H1. So again by melting this term is used, so their volume will be equal. A solid is made by melting a solid right circular cone. So volume equal pi r square H equals to 1 by 3 pi r square. This pi you cancel, r square same. Therefore H1 is coming 1 by 3 into 15 centimeter equals to 5 centimeter. Therefore height of the cylinder is 5 centimeter. Yeah. Now next one. Number 2. The radii and volumes of solid right circular cone and the solid sphere are equal. Then calculate the ratio of the diameter of the sphere and the height of the cone. Okay, radii and volumes of solid right circular cone and sphere are equal. Okay, so radius and volume equal. So we will consider let again radius equal means radius we are considering same and volume also same, cone and sphere. Okay, so cone according to the problem, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. Clear? Now from both sides we will cancel pi 3 there r. Clear? So or here I am breaking 4 is there, so I am writing 2 into 2r equals to 8. Clear? Here 2r by 8, 2r by 8 equals to half. You have to calculate ratio of diameter and height of the cone. So 2r means diameter, therefore diameter and h is height. That's why in the form of 2r I write, that's why 2 into 2r I have written. And height equals to 1 by 2, that means 1 is to 2. Next one. Number 3. Determine the ratio of the volumes of a solid right circular cone and solid sphere of equal diameter and equal height. Okay. Equal diameter and equal height. So radius we consider r. Let the radius be r and height be 8. Clear? Now here ratio of volumes of right circular cone and okay. volume of cone divided by volume of sphere. You have to calculate. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of cone 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here pi same, cancelling 3. Okay, so we are getting h by 2r. Is it h by 4r? Okay, h by 4r. Here, or one thing you can do, pi you have cancelled. Okay, 8 by 2 into 2r. Here, diameter of the sphere. Diameter of the sphere is the height. Here is height. So this equal to, we can write this. So it is coming 1:2. Here, diameter, in place of diameter of sphere, we can write h. 2r equals to h, height. So ratio is coming 1:2. Now next one. Number 4. The shape of lower portion of a solid is hemisphere. Lower portion is hemisphere, half of the sphere, and the shape of the upper portion of it is right circular cone. Here, if the surface areas of two parts are equal, then calculate the ratio of the radius and height of the cone. Surface area. Here, surface area means total surface area, not curved surface area. What is the formula of total surface area of cone? Pi r into r plus L. And here the hemisphere is solid hemisphere. So what is the total surface area of solid hemisphere? 3 pi r square. If it will be hollow, then half of the sphere means it will come 2 pi r square. But it is told that solid. So formula of total surface area will be 3 pi r square. Now, if the surface areas of two parts are equal, okay, then calculate the ratio of radius and height of the cone. Okay, let radius be r and height be h. Okay, and according to the problem, surface area of cone means pi r into L plus r equals to, it is solid, so 3 pi r square. Pi you cancel, or here r. So L plus r equals to 3r. So L is coming 2r. Now what to calculate? You have to calculate ratio of radius and height. Therefore, radius by height equals to 1 by 2. Radius by height. Oh, sorry, height, not slant height. Here we are getting L. Here we are getting L. Clear? So you have to convert it to height, h. Okay. So after that, L means, L square means h square plus r square. So L is root over h square plus r square equals to half. Now squaring both sides, r square by h square plus r square equals to 1 by 4, then cross multiply, after that therefore ratio of radius and height is coming 1 by root over 3. This is your answer. Now last one. The base radius of solid right circular cone is equal to the length of radius of a solid sphere. If the volume of the sphere is twice that of the cone, then calculate the ratio of the height and base radius of the cone. Okay. Number 5. We may consider, let radius of both cone and sphere, let radius of both cone and sphere be r unit. Be r unit. Okay. Here it is told that volume of the sphere. Okay. Volume of the sphere is twice that of the cone. Pi you cancel, 3 you cancel, 2, 1. That means we are getting QR equals to 8. Now what to calculate? Ratio of height and base radius of the cone. Okay. That means ratio of height and base radius. Ratio of height and base radius 2 by 1. That means 2 is to 1. 2 is to ratio of height and base radius. So today in 3 videos I have taught you up to sum number up to 6 of exercise 19 MCQ part and SAQ part, and in next video we will get next part of the problems. Bye.